welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have the final update for the first edition of Throwback 30. This was a project that I created because I want to do all the projects, but I can't. And this was my way of being able to take little snippets of each of those projects and you know, get a taste of it without actually committing to the entire project. So the finale will be a month from now, and let's see, what did I forget to tell you? Oh, it's PANtastic Ladies Collab, of course, and it was a year-long project, started May 16th, will end on May 16th, and it will be coming back again for another year, though with the upcoming, actually, it would be yesterday? Let me check my schedule here. No, it's not. I normally put this on the 16th, but I had to juggle my schedule. So it won't be yesterday. It will be in 3 days. There is a really big project coming up from the PANtastic Ladies that I am going to be joining in because I am the co-creator of it. It's a lot of products. So because this is 30 products, the 2.0 version of Throwback 30 is going to be pushed back a little bit, just to kind of offset the time for the massive amount of products that we would need to be working on. So anyone that is going to be working on the project that's coming up here in a few days, don't worry, Throwback 30 is going to be pushed back, and some of you might be able to do both of them. So that being said, let's get into this actual update. It's going to look eerily similar to last month's update, because I still have these same 3 products. Let me get to them. They are for Cupid's Bow. This is the one with the most impressive progress. This is the Bare Minerals Rose Gossamer Highlighter. I just pressed it into this e.l.f. blush compact because you know, it was just easier than using it loose. And I have pan on it. And I did say that if I had pan on it by this update, there is a possibility that I might be able to finish it, because it's really thin through this area because I use like a fluffy brush. There's a little bit more along the edges. I don't know if you can see how it kind of like curves up there a little bit on the edges, but I still think that there's a good chance that I could do it. I mean, of course, there's a chance that I won't be able to do it, but this is the highlighter that I've been using every single day for a couple weeks now, and I used it quite frequently even before that, but I would switch it out a little bit. But I want to say for the last 2, maybe 3 weeks, this is the one that I've been going to, and I've actually been using this sometimes, not always, but sometimes as an inner corner highlight. I will sometimes use it on like the inner third of my eyelids. And that's how I'm going to get it done. If I'm just using it as a highlighter, I probably can't get it done. But using it as an inner corner highlight and using it as a lid color, there is a fair chance that I will be able to get this one done. And if that happens, I will be happy. I will be very happy. Okay, for Fire and Ice, that was, let's see, that was based on a Robert Frost poem. We had to pick either a fire or ice product for this. Fire is red, orange, yellow, and ice is white, blue, silver, or gray. And mine, it has both fire and ice, and it is the Rexilani Advanced Hydration Face Wash. And let me show you my marks right here. I was at this line, and I think I'm about here. It was kind of hard to tell in the lighting because it's really hard to see through, so it's kind of guesswork. And I think I'm about right here, maybe a little bit less. I'm not 100% certain, but that's what it feels like. And when I try to look in, like take the lid off and look down in it, that's kind of like my best guess on that one. So I may or may not be able to finish it by then. I don't know. I really don't know on that one. That one's going to be a close call. I am filming this a few days early just because, you know, scheduling, and you know how that goes. So, yeah, I don't know. If it's not done, it's going to be very close. This next one is the one for Justice League, which I chose the Flash. This was a roll-in because I had decluttered the one that I had for Aquaman. So I just put in a brand new product for Flash. This is the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. And there goes the voice. Obviously, I can't tell you my progress on this. It's no visible progress. I can tell you that I feel like I'm getting less on my lashes now that I'm using it. Like, I use it every single day. But I feel like I'm getting less and less on my eyelashes. Sometimes that happens, and like if I'll store it this way, sometimes it like a little bit will drop down onto the brush, and you know, it kind of gives it new life. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we will see. I'm hoping it is done by the next update, or by the finale, I should say. Odds are pretty good that it will be done, but you just never know. You just never know with mascaras. So those are my 3 products. The mascara, the face wash, and the highlighter. They're all kind of a crapshoot, but I'm really hoping that I can get them done. So keeping my fingers crossed. But again, if I don't finish those 3 and I finish with 27 out of 30, that's still going to be a pat on the back for me. It's a lot that is done, and I'm happy to have them out. And whatever's left of those, if there's anything left, it won't take me too long to finish them. So again, I'm not worried. But I'm going to have everyone that has joined in listed down below. Again, if you want to join in for the 2.0 version, I will be posting that in the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group very, very soon. And there will be some that are the same because they're recurring, and there's going to be a lot that are not the same. So if you are newer to the PANtastic Ladies and you missed a bunch of stuff within the past year or so, you might get a chance to at least do 1 product for each of those projects. So deep breath. All right, I am going to wrap this up, and I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.